So what I would like you to do is close your eyes, and we're just going to take 5 minutes, but I would give yourself this 5 minutes, because if everything is an out picturing of our consciousness, let's put into our consciousness what it is that we want so that it can be out pictured. So close your eyes. Breathe. And now bring to mind an elevator. And as you step in, with each number that I count down, you're feeling more and more relaxed. 10, 9, relaxing, relaxing. 8, 7, 6, feeling yourself supported, melting into the chair, couch, bed. 5, 4, 3, feeling more and more relaxed. Your shoulders are dropping. Releasing, releasing, surrendering. 2, 1. And the doors open, and here you are having an experience of your goal realized. You are being it now. You did it. You're here. You created this. Be here now. This is the out-picturing of your consciousness. Take one last look around, knowing that this is within you. You have the consciousness of this, and you will take it throughout your day as you step into the elevator. 1, 2, perhaps you have a smile on your face. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have a beautiful rest of your day.